Welcome back, and now for the news in detail. The global number of deaths from COVID-19 has exceeded 450,000, while the cases crossed 8.4 million. Brazil has reported 1,238 fatalities in the past 24 hours. In the US, 704 people lost their lives overnight, raising the tally to over 118,000. More in this report.
Latin America remains the hardest hit region from the coronavirus pandemic as thousands lose their lives every day. While Brazil's death toll increased to nearly 48,000, Mexico's tally rose by 677 to 19,747. Over in the US, California state has ordered residents to wear face masks in most settings outside the home. New York City will begin phase 2 of opening from Monday after continued improvements in COVID-19 data. New York Governor Andrew Cuomo says he is considering a quarantine for travelers from Florida due to virus fears.
The federal government's attitude is an undeniable mistake when it has come to dealing with COVID. Their guidance, their doctrine is an undeniable mistake.
Thailand says it will allow inbound international travel to resume next month for business purposes. Japan's Prime Minister Shinzo Abe says the country will ease entry restrictions for people coming from Australia, New Zealand, Thailand, and Vietnam. The Chinese capital, Beijing, has been put under partial lockdown after a surge in new cases. Tighter travel restrictions to and from Beijing are in place to contain the recent flare-up of COVID-19 related to a wholesale market.
Individuals who fall into the following three categories are not allowed to leave Beijing. They are those confirmed suspected of coronavirus infection, close contacts, asymptomatic patients, and those with fever. People who have been to the Shenfai Farm Produce Market or have had close contact with those people since May 30th, and those from the medium and high-risk areas.
Meanwhile, Kuwait has decided to ease curfew hours to start from 7 p.m. until 5 a.m., effective from June 21st. The cabinet has also decided to extend the first phase of a 5-phase plan to return to normal life for one more week. Over in Sweden, the health agency says about 6% of people in the country have developed COVID-19 antibodies.